Welcome to this essential road sign tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through 50 critical traffic signs, what they mean, why they matter, and how to respond to them safely. Whether you're studying for your driving test or refreshing your knowledge, this guide will boost your confidence on the road. If you find it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. This sign tells you that you have the right of way when entering a narrow road or bridge where two vehicles cannot pass at the same time. Traffic coming from the opposite direction is required to yield and allow you to proceed first. Unlike a typical crossroad, this sign warns of an intersection where the joining road meets at an angle, either acute or obtuse. These skewed approaches can reduce visibility and make it harder to judge the position or speed of other vehicles. This sign indicates that a railway line crosses the road you're on, and the crossing may not be protected by gates or warning lights. You must slow down as you approach, look both ways, and listen for any oncoming trains. A bend or series of curves is approaching, and this sign is there to alert you that the lanes ahead won't stay straight. Lane positioning becomes especially important as visibility around the bend is reduced. Stay centered in your lane. The slow warning isn't just a suggestion, it's a caution rooted in safety. This sign appears before potential hazards like sharp turns, school zones, construction sites, or animal crossings. The correct answer is B, railway level crossing ahead. How should this sign be interpreted? The correct answer is A, lanes bend ahead. What is the message behind this sign? The correct answer is C, priority over vehicles from opposite direction. Through a ford or a shallow water crossing, this sign reminds you to test your brakes. Gently applying pressure while driving at low speed will help dry the brakes and ensure they're responsive before you pick up speed again. This sign alerts you that a nearby side road has a railway crossing. While your own road may not intersect the tracks, traffic turning from or into that side road might stop or slow unexpectedly. You're about to encounter a change in the road's configuration. This might mean a transition from a single to a dual carriageway, or a change in lane direction or width. These zones can be tricky if you're not paying attention. A checkerboard pattern, typically bold black and white squares, signals an abrupt road termination or a sharp change in direction. It's placed at the end of a road or just before a hazardous curve. This sign is a final warning. You're being given advance notice. In 300 yards, there's either a roundabout or another significant traffic junction. Use this time to reduce speed and prepare for any necessary lane changes. This sign provides clear instruction. At the next intersection, you must go straight. No left or right turns are permitted. This kind of restriction is often used to manage flow during roadworks, in busy city zones, or where turns would create traffic conflicts or safety risks. This marker identifies a major federal highway in the United States. The two-digit number in the white shield corresponds to a national route used for long-distance travel, often spanning multiple states. What situation does this sign describe? The correct answer is A, change of carriageway ahead. What does this symbol instruct drivers to do? The correct answer is B, straight ahead. What does this pattern indicate on the sign? The correct answer is A, checkerboard. This sign alerts you to a crossroad where traffic approaching from the right has priority. This rule may be unfamiliar, especially in areas where roundabouts or traffic lights usually determine flow. This regulatory sign sets the maximum allowed speed at 50 kilometers per hour, usually seen in urban, residential, or mixed-use areas. The limit is designed to protect pedestrians, cyclists, and other road users in high-density environments. This sign indicates that vehicles will be joining your lane from an adjacent road, such as an on-ramp or side street. You may need to adjust your speed slightly to allow space for merging traffic. Alternatively, move over to an adjacent lane if it's safe to do so. This sign warns that the road ahead splits into two branches, forming a Y-shaped junction. Unlike standard T intersections, Y junctions can involve sharper or more gradual merges, depending on the angle. This distance marker provides advance notice that something important, like a turn, hazard, or change in road conditions, lies just 100 yards ahead. That short distance gives drivers enough time to prepare for what's coming. This sign identifies an area where a parking disc must be used. Drivers are required to display a time-marked disc on their dashboard indicating when they arrived. These zones typically allow free parking, but only for a limited time. This sign marks a dedicated access point for fire trucks and emergency response vehicles. It must remain completely clear at all times to ensure emergency services can respond quickly and without delay. What type of junction does this represent? The correct answer is C-Y- intersection. What is this junction sign communicating? The correct answer is A, crossroad or junction with priority from right. What does this sign tell drivers about parking? The correct answer is A, parking disc. The crossbuck is a classic X-shaped railway crossing sign. It signals that you're approaching train tracks and must yield to any approaching trains. If no lights or barriers are present, it's your responsibility to stop and look both ways. This rare but critical warning sign indicates a 270-degree curve ahead, essentially a tight rightward loop that nearly doubles back. These turns are most commonly found on highway exits, interchanges, or mountain passes. This sign provides helpful information for travelers: the distance to public restrooms and telephone facilities. You'll typically see it in rural areas, along highways, or in tourist-heavy regions. This sign alerts drivers that Lane 1, usually the far left or right depending on the country, will soon be closed. You must begin preparing to merge into lanes 2, 3, or 4, depending on your current position. This sign indicates a pedestrian crossing marked with bold black and white stripes, commonly called a zebra crossing. Drivers must come to a complete stop if pedestrians are in or approaching the crosswalk. This triangular diversion sign provides guidance during temporary road closures or detours. When a normal route is blocked due to roadworks, accidents, or events, diversion signs point to an alternate path. What information is being provided here? The correct answer is B, distance to public toilets and telephones. What should drivers understand from this lane sign? The correct answer is A, Lane 1 closed. Use lanes 2, 3, and 4. What is this rail-related sign called? The correct answer is C, crossbuck. This sign shows the location of a public electric vehicle charging point. It may be part of a parking area, service station, or a standalone EV charging hub. These points are marked to help electric vehicle drivers locate necessary infrastructure along their route. This advisory sign instructs goods vehicles, such as delivery trucks or heavy lorries, to move into the left-hand lane. It may be required for regulatory reasons or simply to improve traffic flow and safety. This strong warning sign informs drivers that both lanes ahead are closed, usually due to construction, flooding, or a serious incident. Immediate action is required. You must slow down and prepare to stop or follow a clearly marked detour. This sign warns that a designated school crossing zone is coming up. These areas require extra vigilance, especially during school arrival and dismissal times. Children may cross unexpectedly. This sign is a general warning that children may be present in the area, whether near playgrounds, parks, or residential neighborhoods. Children may enter the street unpredictably, chasing a ball or crossing without looking. This sign warns that 2 consecutive bends lie ahead, the first turning to the left, immediately followed by another bend to the right. These turns are often tight and can reduce visibility significantly. This sign notifies drivers of an approaching set of traffic lights, even if they're not yet visible due to elevation or road curves. It's a heads up to reduce speed and stay alert, especially in unfamiliar areas. The square diversion route sign indicates a temporary route you should follow, due to a road closure, construction, or emergency. These signs guide traffic away from blocked areas and ensure safety by directing drivers through pre-planned detours. This sign tells you that vehicles will be entering your lane from the right, often from a slip road, on-ramp, or temporary detour. You may need to adjust your speed or shift lanes to create space for merging traffic. What should drivers expect after seeing this sign? The correct answer is A, traffic signal ahead. What instruction is given to certain types of vehicles? The correct answer is C. Goods vehicles should get into the left. What kind of direction is shown here? The correct answer is A. Diversion route sign square. This sign provides helpful advance notice of a parking area equipped with a tourist information point. It's especially valuable for travelers unfamiliar with the region, offering a place to stop, ask questions, and pick up maps or local guides. This sign indicates the start of a regulated disc parking zone. Drivers must display a parking disc on their dashboard, clearly marked with their arrival time. Parking is permitted only for a limited period. This transitional speed sign marks the conclusion of a 20-mile-per-hour zone and the start of a standard 30-mile-per-hour speed limit. While the increase allows for faster travel, it's still essential to assess your surroundings and drive responsibly. The tramway sign warns that you are entering an area where streetcars or trams operate. These vehicles may run in mixed traffic or on dedicated rails that cross the road. Drivers must yield when required and avoid stopping or turning across tram tracks unless it's safe and legal. This critical safety sign alerts drivers and pedestrians to the presence of an electrified third rail, typically used to power train systems. These rails carry high-voltage electricity and can be deadly if touched. This sign indicates an official bus stop, a designated area where public buses pick up and drop off passengers. Private vehicles should never block or park in this space. Obstructing a bus stop can delay public transport. This regulatory sign indicates that horse-drawn vehicles are not allowed beyond this point. It's typically used on roads with fast-moving traffic or limited space where slow, non-motorized transport could create hazards. In mountainous or rural areas, this wildlife warning sign alerts drivers to the possible presence of mountain goats. These animals can appear suddenly on the road, especially around bends or near cliffs. This version of the no stopping sign specifies that vehicles may not stop in the middle section of a roadway, such as on medians, central lanes, or designated bus corridors. It helps keep traffic flowing smoothly, and prevents blockages in critical turning or passing zones. What kind of safety warning does this sign give? The correct answer is B, an electrified third rail ahead. What change is being announced here? The correct answer is A, end of 20 miles per hour zone and start of 30 miles. What is the purpose of this stopping point? The correct answer is A, stopping place for buses. This sign warns that strong side winds are common in the area ahead. These gusts can affect vehicle stability, especially for high-sided vehicles like trucks, buses, and trailers. This sign is officially listed in the British Virgin Islands Driver's Manual and is part of the region's specific road safety framework. It may differ slightly from international signs, reflecting local laws, traffic conditions, or cultural driving practices. This sign signals roadworks ahead, indicating construction, repairs, or maintenance activity on the roadway. Drivers must slow down, watch for cones and flaggers, and follow detour routes if necessary. The litter container sign marks the presence of a public bin, where drivers and passengers can responsibly dispose of waste. It's a small but significant effort to keep roadsides clean, discourage littering, and support environmental upkeep. This sign warns of a left-hand curve in the road. Drivers should begin slowing down before entering the bend and avoid cutting across lanes. Left bends may hide approaching traffic or pedestrians, so maintaining a safe line and steady speed is critical for safe passage. This restriction sign prohibits access to buses and coaches, often due to limited road width, weight restrictions, or local noise and emission regulations. These vehicles must take alternative routes. This advance warning tells you that the next intersection is controlled by either a stop or give way sign. Even if not yet visible, you'll need to yield or stop completely depending on what's posted. Thanks for watching this road sign tutorial. We hope it helped sharpen your awareness and confidence behind the wheel. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future driving content. Drive safe and see you in the next one.